Today we're going to take a look at the CLP-E. This is a Motorola CLP two-way radio. It's comfortable, lightweight, portable and very, very stylish. You're going to love it. So let's take a look what you get in the box. Here we go. Firstly, you've got some instructions. We've got the radios themselves. Come as a pair. You've got a lot of accessories in here. Let's just take a quick look. You have a charger. You have a few different connectors that you can use on mains. You have a power supply. This is the charger. It's a desktop charger. Now, as well as the radios, in the top section of this box, you have a number of manuals in the bottom section that will help you. And we have one or two accessories. There's a clip. We'll pull that out. There's some earpieces. Let's have them all out. There's a second clip. I'll leave that in here. There's a back plate. And one or two more bits and pieces. So let's take a quick look at what we've got from out of the box. What you actually have, by the way, first of all, of the earpieces, is you get two standard long cord headsets. Those are microphone and earpiece type of products. You also get a third one that has a shorter lead. Basically the same product. So altogether you've got three. Two long, one short. You also get two clips. Very strong clips. These will fit in like so. Just push into place. Quite robust. You also get a magnetic case. You can see this is very magnetic, and that will clip onto the back of the unit if that's what you need. It's a simple matter to clip off the back case, where you'll see the battery, which is provided. This one's a BT90, and you can then fit on the magnetic case and just clip that into place. I won't do that for now, but you can see that that's how it's done. As you can see with the clip, it's also a rotational clip if you need that facility. So what are these radios all about? Well, with the rising pressure of online shopping and visitor reviews, customer experience is a top priority. Your team will need to connect instantly, respond quickly to address customer requests and provide premium service. From back of house to front of store, the CLP series is your stylish and essential team communication tool, built to last all day, every day, 7 days a week. The lightweight, stylish and palm-sized radio design helps you discreetly and comfortably carry the CLP with you through extended shifts. A sleek design is combined with essential controls to provide you with everything you need to stay connected. There's no sacrificing the technology or the connectivity through style. This is a great product. This radio was specifically designed for retail, hospitality and restaurant environments. The CLP is small and lightweight with simple one-button push-to-talk operation. Clear, strong audio makes a communicating easy in noisy environments, and the durable design and long battery life will stand up to every wear and tear of your fast-paced business. Just incredible radios. All of the performance of these radios is packaged in a sleek, contemporary design. I think most people probably never even seen a radio like that in that design before, or anything similar. Flexible carry options let you wear the CLP on a belt or a versatile magnetic clip, as I've showed you, giving you the comfort and freedom to match your style and workplace environment. They're very discreet radios. Your customers demand rapid response and superior customer service. With these radios, you can deliver it with style and ease. CLP allows your team to stay connected, to reduce errors, and respond quickly to other team members, customers and guests. Motorola CLP, it's productivity with personality, if ever there was one. I just wanted to show you quickly the charger in use. It only takes one Motorola radio at a time. So if you were to use the system in any real force, you'll need at least another charger. Uses a USB connection to charge up, although it does come with its own power supply. The radio just simply clips in place. There's nothing to it. So let's take a look at how the headphone and earpiece is fitted. You can see on this that there's a small line. On the radio there's also a line, so if we take the earpiece and push it all the way in, you saw that clip in, and twist, that's the earpiece in there. It's waterproof and isn't going to fall out anytime soon. So here's the radio with the earpiece connected, and it's a simple matter to turn the radio on from this button here, and we've got a plus and a minus for the volume. So if we press that, you'll see that the radio will come on, and when it's on, if I want to transmit, I just hold that down like that and away you go. In the earpiece you'll hear everything that's going on. It's a very simple radio to use. What I like about this radio really is its simplicity. It's so easy to use, anyone could use it, and it's discreet. It's out of the way if you want it to be, of course. It could be inside a jacket and not easily seen, so it has its uses in that respect. It's quite robust because it's small, and it's at least water resistant, but we're going to cover the features right now. As you see on the front, there is a LED that will light up in different colours, and that's called a smart status glow. The colour indicates an active channel, radio transmit and receive, scan and battery status. Other features include the push to talk button, as you see here. It's well oversized, it's got this patterning on it so it's easy to find even if you don't look. There's a volume control at the side. There are 16 adjustable volume levels that make the CLP easy to hear in any environment. A long press provides a quick way to lower the headset volume. The power and battery button up here, this powers the device on or off, with a short press provides audio indication of current battery level. The accessory connector is a compact, durable design for proven Motorola accessories. We have a menu button. The voice-driven menu provides quick access to pre-programmed features, channel, monitor, scan and call tone. And lastly, we've got the charging and programming contacts. These provide robust battery charging and radio programming. So I'm going to summarise one or two more features, and maybe some of the ones I've already mentioned, who knows. Here we go. It's voice assisted operation. Its voice driven menu provides access to channel, monitor, scan and call tone. It supports English, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish and Turkish. There's a smart status glow. The features are associated by colour, providing information at a glance. They appear here. We've got customer programming software. We can connect the CLP to a PC with a data cable that is optional, and that's to customise your radio settings. The radio configuration. We can configure radio channels, frequencies and codes from a pre-programmed list without the use of a computer. We can scan. We can monitor radio activity for faster, more efficient communications. It's a very sleek design, really sleek design. Unique palm-sized radio that is 40% smaller and 50% lighter than similar products from others. The audio is clear, strong and offers a great audio performance for confident communications in noisy environments. There's an internal antenna which is embedded inside the unit. It delivers wide coverage in a compact design. It's designed and built to withstand everyday use. It meets the military standard 810 specifications. The battery under this cover is a lithium-ion battery, and it provides between 9 and 14 hours of talk and listen for service over long shifts. The power is a 0.5 watt output, adequate for most regular sort of jobs. The frequency band, this operates on 8 channels in the PMR 446 frequency bands. There's an integrated voice solutions capability. This enables real-time voice access among users of Motorola two-way radios. And importantly, in this day and age, there is an antimicrobial protection. It helps prevent the growth of mold and germs on the surface of the radio. So let's move on to accessories for this unit. Motorola original accessories will make you and your CLP even more productive. A variety of carry options, earpieces, batteries and chargers enable you to create the communication system that works best for you and your team. We've got carrying accessories. Flexible carrying options give you the freedom to wear CLP your way. The belt clip holster I showed earlier is so light you won't even know it's there. The unique magnetic carry case also that I showed you earlier allows CLP to be worn anywhere, on your lapel, dress, shirt pocket or snapped on your waist. The earpieces, the CLP must be paired with an audio accessory. You can't use it without an earpiece. A variety of comfortable earpieces provide loud, clear audio and accommodate the way you like to work. Features include an easy access push to talk button and inline microphone for reliable performance. The standard lithium-ion battery is designed for 9-hour performance. But for even longer shifts, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery will provide up to 14 hours of service easily. And in the case of the chargers, this revolutionary clean design provides rapid charging of your Motorola CLP. There's also a multi-unit charger that allows you to conveniently charge up to 6 Motorola CLPs simultaneously. And we recommend that. We've seen the multi-chargers on many Motorola products and it does make a big difference. The charger is designed with a back pocket so to store your earpiece while the unit is charging and can be mounted on the wall if space is at a premium. Now, Long Range Systems in the UK, or LRS UK, has long experience with Motorola products. We've been selling them for years. The warranty on the CLP series is 2 years warranty, which is an exceptional warranty for a product that's going to get so much use. You could use this product every day, 365 days a year if you really wanted to, and it will be covered under warranty for those 2 years. But if you was to damage the product, obviously that wouldn't be covered by warranty, but Long Range Systems could help. We can handle the warranty or non-warranty repairs of this product directly, and if it needs to go back to the factory for any reason, we can transact that for you. It's part of our service. We have experts in Motorola products that can advise you exactly which is the best radio handset for your needs and offer clear, simple advice as to which product is the most suitable. You can call 01782 53 7000 and speak to one of our experts. Alternatively, visit motorolaradio.co.uk. That's Motorola Radio, not radios, motorolaradio.co.uk, which is a website that we operate at LRS, just to give you an introduction to Motorola products. It is always best speaking to our experts who can guide you in the easiest way, simplest way to the best suited product for your needs.